Hi everyone, my name is Max Chaplin,
And I'm Katie Jurgens.
and this is our COVID on Campus web app for CSSU 280. So you can access this web app by going to the link jurgenkr-chaplin1-project.web.app. So the reason we chose to develop this app is to help students, faculty, and whoever chooses to come to campus easily navigate the pandemic. Our web app adds value to the users because the features make it to where they feel comfortable on campus throughout the virus.
So this is the first page of our web app. You have to be signed in to do daily monitoring, otherwise you get this error. So I will log in and sign in with Rosefire. You must be a student to do daily monitoring, but this is the monitoring page. And if you want to report data, let's say that I've got chills, muscle pain, and a sore throat, and my temperature is 99. Then I will submit, and I can look at it in the recent data. So this will show you your past 3 reports, so you can see how you've been trending. Or you can go back to the monitoring page and see your personal past reports, which shows you a calendar of any reports in October and November. Anything with a little dot is a day that has a report on it, so you can click there and see that day's report. If I wanted to go back to October, I could, and click a random day, and it says no report for this day. And I can also show you how this looks on mobile and see that it scales down and works like that. For the other part of our app, we've got the map. So we've got a map of campus here that you can zoom in and out on. And all of these pull up different locations on campus that have either a sanitizing station, a restroom, or a test drop-off location. So let's say you're in Olin and you want to find a sanitizing station. These are some of the locations that there are. And you can see like an average rating and stuff like that. I'm signed in as an admin, so I can add a location. And I can also delete the location. Only admins will have that ability. For anyone else who's signed in or not signed in, you can look at reviews. And as you see, this will change depending on which location you're at, and it will only show the reviews for that location because they are connected through our database. But as you can see, we already have that review, and I'm signed in, so I will add this review with a rating of 3. And there is a difference because I did not make this review, but I made this review, so I can edit it. And I'll go back and show you that because there's 2 reviews of 3 and 5, it did change the average review over here. But now that I'm done with that, I could delete it.
And this is why it's important to be sign in with Rosefire with our app because you have access to all these extra features, including leaving reviews, editing reviews, deleting reviews, whatever it may be on the map page, in addition to filling out symptom reports and seeing your personal past reports on the monitoring page.
So I can go back to the map page, and as you probably can tell, this is our feature that we decided to learn on our own. So this is an app called Mapbox, where it gives you a very nice map to work with. The cool thing about it is you can add bounds. So this is technically a map of the entire world, but it's limited to only viewing this specific section of it. And it's pretty easy to implement. You just put a container in HTML and the map object in JavaScript. And there's features like adding layers, which hold these different pins. And all of these pins also have abilities to do pop-ups when you click on them or hover. And this map also works in mobile. So it scales, and you can still do all that. You can scroll. And yep, so I can sign out. And there you have it. Thank you.